Amy here today sharing with you some fun new products for Black Friday. We are going to start with the Burr Baby stamp set, simple 4x6 stamp set that creates really fun backgrounds in a bold and graphic. You can make snowflakes or just fun sentiments. We've stamped this in a variety of our Color Crush colors, and it coordinates perfectly with the new beanie die. This is only available today as a freebie, and you better run. They're only available while they last. But look at all the fun little layers. Plaids, snowflake, shaker. You could stamp on the background of just the solid piece as well. So many fun, cute ways to use this. If you need something quick for the holidays and for the wrapping, because at the last minute, sometimes it's hard to make those more elaborate tags, we have this Stamp and Cut. It's a 5x6 stamp set, one solid piece. You stamp it once, add that coordinating die, and boom, you have a variety of tags already created. You can do any color you want, emboss these in gold, silver, or emboss in white on colored cardstock for a different look. What a fun and easy way to get that packaging done. And calling all our bakers, look at this cute Baked with Love gable box. This is our new Bake Shop box. It is a large, but not too large. It fits really great, just a few cookies. It's sized perfectly. I feel like it's not too big and it's not too small. I love that you can add the windows and really see through your little treats, or just use the gable box any time of year. But it does say baked goods. You can say freshly baked, baked with love, just a fun few greetings you have to really get the most out of this gable box. Don't we all love giving really simple, quick treats for the holidays, birthdays, just different times of year? We've created these simple bag topper dies. They're great base for any time of the year, showing you just some simple ways to use those for the holidays, just using Christmas colors and fun candy. And then the large, all you do is simply cut these one piece, fold in half, and attach to your cello bags. This is our new tall tags, and it's just a fun way to accent this type of product. So it comes with a tree that has some stitching, a little Merry Christmas tag. You can add different elements, the star, the heart, or just the little circle. Die cut the Merry Christmas, and just fun ways to add some cute little elements to your packaging. And we can't get enough of these bags, so we've created this fun bow bag topper die to make it really easy for you to decorate those gift bags. Check out just a fun bag of popcorn with a greeting on it. Simply fold these in half, add those layering elements, and attach that. You can watch the how-to reel in our video in our Instagram. It's also available in the link in the product description, so you can just see how easy it is to put together. Sure to run on over to the shop and don't miss your chance to get this. Calling all of our book lovers out there, what a fun way to give these as gifts or simply any time of year. What a fun way to give gifts and create little projects for those that love to read. So this stamp set is 4x6. It coordinates with our book tag holder die, which what this does is it creates a book end, and you can either layer up or create a window and simply slide your bookmark in and out of those. You can add these inside of a book, hang them on a gift. What a fun, beautiful way and thoughtful way to make those gifts a little extra special. And then next up, we have this so fun book card gift holder. And what you do is you cut two of those background pieces to create that pocket. So glue the three sides, it creates a pocket, and inside that pocket, you can add a gift card. Look how cute. You can use this any time of year. It doesn't just have to be for Christmas. What I love is that it can be both masculine and feminine, really creating those cards and gifts for anyone in your life. Then, last but not least, is this adorable little tag. It is a book that's a tag. You can add the little attacher or just use it to create fun elements for your card making. Look at that to and from stamp set, little book stamp set. Gives you just some fun little greetings that work perfectly in the label. Again, making this great for any time of year. We've also created a coordinating floral that matches the flower in the stamp set, just to give you that extra layering, whether you can stamp or die cut elements for all of these pieces any time of year. I hope you love these products. Be sure to head on over to the shop and don't miss out. Have a great day and happy holidays.